So the chapter 7, part A, comparative and cost method of appraisal. The value of market value of a property, subject property, will be equivalent to the prices others have paid to similar properties. So basically highlight subject property, highlight market value, highlight equivalent, and highlight similar. So basically market value basically means, for example, so my house is 1212710 B Avenue, right? So the value of my house will be equivalent, so will be almost the same to the other property, basically comparable to my property, right? For example, in my area 101 121 areas, right, same 11 years old home, 4500 square feet, right, and 8 bedrooms, so will have almost the same price. Okay, so what the people have bought. Okay, and then we go to recent and similar definition. So you're gonna get 1 mark for sure in the exam about recent and similar. So recent mean is a period of time immediately before, so highlight the word immediately before the appraisal is being made, that a comparable is being made, and I'll highlight comparable is being made, in which the prices in the area have been relatively stable, and highlight the word stable. So basically recently before the appraisal and the prices have not changed, it is stable. Do you understand, right? For example, so the value of my property 12117 maybe right now around 650 to 700,000 range, right? So the appraisal is not done. Next year it may be different because the new city value, right, may be up or may be down. So just remember the keyword relatively stable and immediately before the appraisal. Okay. Next, similar. So what is similar? A process of comparing other property. So highlight process of comparing other property to your subject property that are similar by comparison. So highlight the word similar. These are factors having a major influence on the buyer and seller. So highlight major influence. So basically similar means, for example, my house is a 3-story, right? My house is a 3-story house, so 4500 square feet. So basically we can compare with 3-story house, 4500 square feet. So we got a 5 bathroom, for example. So you compare the 5 bathrooms. So you got a 5 bedroom plus 2 basements. So you're gonna compare the 7 bedroom basically. So okay. So remember the keyword similar and remember the keyword major influence. And the next is value is influenced by these factors. So the value of the property is influenced by these following factors. Building and design. So this concerns size, height, size, number of rooms, layout, construction, maintenance, equipment such as stove, fridge, dishwasher. And the next is lot characteristics. So highlight the word natural features such as view, streams, soil, and proximity to amenities. So highlight proximity. Like proximity means near the transportation. For example, if your house is next door to SkyTrain, just 4-5 blocks, you don't have to drive, right? You can just walk. Advantages and disadvantages of this. So basically, so the proximity to the shopping, all these things has merits and demerits. Okay. Next, title condition of a sale. So what kind of a title you have? Adjustment for sale or assumed mortgage are made. So highlight the word assumed mortgage, right? If the rate is other than what the market value is being used. So basically mean different rate. For example, so the condition of a sale, right? For example, I have a 2% rate, variable rate. So that I had 2 years before, but I have a 5-year fix. So if I'm giving 2% rate now, selling along with my house, so what I'm going to ask for? I'm going to ask for more money because the buyer is going to save, right? 2%. For example, the buyer gets nowadays 4%, for example. So then he saved 2% interest. So basically property value will be higher. Okay. So next we talk about market method of appraisal. C&D's model car basically sale price of the comparable, for example my car, right, is $15,000. Adjustment, so now $600. Basically my car is 15,000, right, but just when Joel's car is, for example, right,
A risk.
it won't be raised.
10,000.
10,000. Right? So basically so we have Mr. Jaswant Joel here, right? So basically my uncle's name was Jaswant too. So he owned the flour mill in India, right? And but his last name is Bhandari, right? So we have a all so many people with the name Jaswant, right? So comparable basically means now Jaswant's car is, for example, has air condition, right? CD player, sunroof, interior. So what is going to happen, right? So these are the extra things, right? So if his car has extra things, so what's going to happen? So it's gonna reduce the price. So now you have to minus from the subject, from my car's value, right? So my car was worth $15,000. If you add all these numbers, it come 1,950. So the adjusted sale price is 13,050. So the fair price paid is 13,050. So basically just remember the key formula, and the formula is if, right, so you have more features, right, if the comparable car has more features, right, then you subtract. So if the comparable car has less features, then you add on. Okay. So the subject property is the standard of comparison, and each comparable sale is adjusted towards it. So what is the key point is subject property. So you're gonna compare everything with the subject property. So you're gonna highlight subject property. So subject property, it says add the sale price of the comparable property. So highlight add. When a feature is superior, highlight the word superior to the comparable property. Then subtract from the sale price of the comparable property. So highlight the word subtract, right? When a feature of the subject property is inferior, highlight the word inferior. If it's superior, then add. If it's inferior, then subtract.
Okay.
So comparable property, subtract the sale price of all comparable property when a feature is superior to the comparable. So highlight again the subtract, and highlight the keyword superior. So add from the sale price of the comparable property when a feature of the subject property is inferior, is the opposite for this one, right? So highlight the keyword add and highlight the word inferior.